Yo, what's up guys? It is Monster Jam Collector Racing here, and I'm back with another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing and review video. So here it is. This is one of the Blizzard Bashers of 2021. So here we have the Blizzard Bashers Bigfoot, Blizzard Bashers Demo Derby, Blizzard Bashers Mega Rex, and the Blizzard Bashers Tiger Shark. So which truck do you guys think this is? You guys can already tell from the title of this video. It is Demo Derby. So yeah, guys, here it is. Demo Derby. Looks pretty awesome. And before we unbox Demo Derby, we're going to take a look at the status. And here they are. Name, Demo Derby, truck type SUV, strength, spray painted wheels, crash attack, power slide, punch. Nice. So this case is actually complete now. So super excited about that. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox Blizzard Bashers Demo Derby. Alright guys, here it is. Blizzard Bashers Demo Derby. This looks really neat in my opinion. Very neat. And here's the crush car. So, yep. Put off aside. And here is the Blizzard Bashers Demo Derby. This looks really, really neat. So, on the side here, you can partially see the smiley face. It's right there. And here is 68. And here's the hood. It says Hot Wheels 68. And it's got the X right here. And the smiley face again. Same thing with the other side. Looks really neat. And here's the bag. It says Hot Wheels 68. It's got a blue roll cage, light blue chassis with blue treads. It's got some wheels on the bottom here. So this looks really, really neat. So this is kind of similar to the Blizzard Bashers Bigfoot I reviewed earlier. If you guys want to see that, I'll have a link. So, nonetheless, there you have it. The Blizzard Bashers Demo Derby. This looks really, really neat. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.